Yeah.
Looking forward to the Witch Queen.
Yeah, me too.
Apple Chinese New Year celebration on homepage and new shot on iPhone video. I haven't seen this yet, but they're celebrating the Chinese New Year. The Chinese zodiac tiger. These years come every 12 years as a cycle. In Chinese element theory, each zodiac sign is associated with one of 5 elements: gold, metal, wood, water, fire, or earth. 2022 is the year of the water tiger.
The water tiger.
Water tigers come only every 60 years. This is the only.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's your last water tiger, Will.
Oh, I'm a tiger, actually.
You're not going to make another 60 years. You understand? It's your last.
Gotcha.
It's your last water tiger opportunity. Mine as well. Don't worry. It's not like I'm planning on living forever. You know?
Oh, right. Yeah.
No, it's.
Yeah.
Mo might see another water tiger.
I think so. Are you a tiger too?
No, I don't. I think. What am I? What is it? Year or month? This isn't the same as. I don't know what I am.
Okay.
How do we find? How do we find out? Tell me. How do I find out? What do I got to do? Tell me what I am. But wait, aren't you and I born the same year?
Are we?
1985?
No, I'm 6.
Oh, okay. Give me 85. So it's just a yearly thing. There's no month component to it.
You are the ox.
Ox, that's right.
My friend.
Yeah, that's right. That sounds
That's
about
you.
right. You know why I got it screwed up?
Why?
Because the other one with the stars,
Zodiac.
the
Astrology.
zodiac, I'm May, so I'm also the bull over there. So I'm the bull there and then the ox there.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's why I was confused. I was like, wait, am I saying the right one right now? I didn't want to offend anybody. I can't remember these things. Anyway, so Apple's celebrating Apple's Chinese homepage, and they got a 23-minute short film. Holy cow, Apple.
The comeback.
All of a sudden,
That's what it's called.
all of a sudden, Will's second guessing playing this clip here. He's like, oh, react to the clip.
Yeah, I thought it was like a 30-second.
He's like, react to the clip here. But I guess, go ahead. Just play a little bit of it here.
This is it, right?
Oh my God. Look at the guy. What is he on? Mars?
Goodness.
Is there a Mars aspect to this?
I guess so. Is he supposed to be Elon?
Well,
Chinese Elon?
I mean, his spacesuit, not going to lie, looks a little bit,
Put together?
a little shoddy. I'm nervous.
I'm guessing one of these is the play.
You know what it is? You want to know what it is? It throws me off. It's the red light on the top of the that's the behind the scenes.
Oh, that was
The
cool.
alert.
You hit the behind the scenes right there.
Okay, this is probably
Yeah.
in there.
Well, yeah, okay. It's more behind the scenes, but this is still okay. So you can just tell they basically made a feature film. When you got the ropes out and the flips are happening,
Yeah.
they make a feature film. Apple, they invest in
Look at the lighting. It's
in marketing. I mean, they want to sell some phones Chinese New Year. Why wouldn't you?
a lot of rigs going on.
It's how you sell phones, man. Rigs and flying and flipping stunts. Mars. I don't know if they actually went to Mars. People are screaming right now. They're like, just let me go watch it. You can go watch it. High production value. See what Apple's up to as far as what they're promoting in China. I don't think that they're posting this on any other homepages.
Yeah, that's apple.com.cn.
There you go. That'll take you right there. Buy yourself an iPhone 13 while you're at it with the money you got from Chinese New Year.
Yeah.
Because that's what you got to do, Will, with the envelopes.
Yeah, the red pocket.
Yeah, you got to do the red envelopes, man.